Hello guys, so look what we have here. Meron ako ditong wine glass and meron ako ditong Novellino red wine. At sabi dito, the #1 wine in the Philippines. Well, I think so too. And we have vanilla flavor ice cream. So siguro naisip nyo na kung ano yung gagawin ko. This is another weird combination. Nakita ko lang to sa Facebook, tapos may mga nakakita din ako sa TikTok. Mostly parang ano siya, foreign trend, ganyan. So ang gagawin is kukuha tayo ng wine glass and then maglalagay tayo ng vanilla ice cream. Tapos ilalagay natin yung red wine. Okay, so maglagay na tayo ng ice cream sa wine glass. Wow. Whoop. Yung ice cream. Oops. Wala akong ano eh. Ano bang tawag doon? Ice cream scooper. So, kutsara-kutsara na lang tayo. Raos din natin yan. Okay. Ang kalat niya. Anyhow. So, this is the vanilla flavor ice cream. Tapos, lagyan natin siya ng red wine. Ano kaya lasa nito? I'm curious. Sana hindi ako magtae. Kung ano-ano na lang yung nakikita ko na gusto kong i-try. Okay, there you go. Oh, yeah. Hindi pa parang naparami yung wine ko. Okay. I don't know talaga kung anong taste nito. And I'm not so confident, but we'll see. Okay. See? Vanilla ice cream and red wine. Cheers. Good luck. Wow. Okay, let's see. Sapa. Sapa. Tayo na ulit. Okay. Medyo weird. Alam ko, kung ano-ano na lang pinaggagawa ko. Medyo weird siya na okay naman. Isa pa nga. Siguro I need to combine them both. Okay, wait lang. Hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi siya okay. Hindi pangit yung lasa niya. Individually, masarap yung vanilla ice cream and masarap din yung red wine individually. Combined together, hindi masama yung lasa niya, pero weird combination siya. Ewan ko kung bakit ko ito ginawa. Oh my God. Okay, ubusin ko lang. Wala. Kailangan panindigan. So, ubusin ko lang siya. Until the very end, hindi ko magets yung lasa niya. Of course, nalalasahan mo yung wine and ice cream, but the combination, hindi ko siya magets. Nakakaloka. But anyway, at least na-try ko siya, diba? So, this is what curiosity brings you, guys. At least I tried. Parang buhay lang yan. You may not succeed all the time, but at least you tried. You try, and next time you do better. Okay? Ayun lang. Thank you so much. Bye!